Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve under square root 100 times 106 plus 9 is equals to what? Without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video solution. So under square root 100 times 106. So 100 times 106 we can write it as 100 plus 6 plus 9 we can write it as 3 square. Now, if you multiply, so 100 times 100 is 100 square and 100 times 6 is 600 plus 3 square. Now, if we compare this, so it becomes an identity. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is 100, b is 3. So it is 100 square plus 2 times a is 100 times 3 plus 3 square. So it becomes an identity of a plus b whole square. So that is 100 plus 3 whole square, which is 103 whole square. With the help of this square root eliminates. So our final answer is 103. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.